Hey, what's going on, my friend? James Bill here. The shocking truth about work from home jobs. Guys, my name is James Bill, and if this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below. I will be coming to you with more motivation, mindset, and tips and strategies on how to make money online. Okay, so what we're going to be talking about today is the shocking truth about work from home jobs. Guys, the shocking truth is it's going to be plenty days when you're just not feeling it. Days when you just don't even want to get up and do anything because you are self-employed and it's your business and you can do whatever you want to. But you have to get up and run your business daily, guys, no matter what. You know, it's like today I'm doing this video. Did I want to just jump up and do the video? No, I did not. But it's my business and I'm going to do it daily. That's how you get the results that you want. And you know, they're gonna be days that you're gonna want to quit. Trust me, you're gonna feel like just throwing in the towel. This is not for me. I cannot do this. You know, who am I fooling? That's why you have to do your mindset, read your books and listen to audios, and you know, keep that limiting belief away, and believe in yourself, guys. And it works, but you have to work it. You have to work. The key. That's the secret that a lot of people. Matter of fact, I need to write that down because that is the truth. It works. The secret is you have to work. You know, and another thing is going to be days. It's just the truth. It's going to be several days. It might be months that you are not get. I know people that been in this business for years that you know, was not getting the results that they wanted, guys. And the bottom line is you have to stick with it. Hang in there. You know, they say football players are tough, guys, athletes. Let me tell you something. Entrepreneurs are tough. You have to have really tough skin, guys. And, you know, it's going to be days when you don't feel like shooting videos like I'm doing today. It's going to be days you don't feel like emailing to your list, you know, engaging with your audience. And these are the things that you have to do daily, guys, or every other day. You have to engage. Build your list, engage with your list, and then sell to your list. And another thing is, the shocking truth is this. You have so many people that get up in the morning, put on their clothes, and head out to that job that they dread going to, but they do it every day. If you would run your business that same way, with that same consistency, you're going to get the results you want. Treat it like a business, guys. Push yourself. Push yourself. And if you do all of these things, I guarantee you the results will be there. You will start generating the type of income that you want. I mean, it's just a law. It's just a law, guys. If you do what you're supposed to do, just like any business that you work for, a company that has employees, you know, they do what they have to do daily, and that's how they stay aboard. And if you do what you need to do daily, your business is gonna grow, and your finances is gonna grow, guys. And your mindset, you're gonna start believing in yourself. And before you know it, you're going to have one big business that you built, no one else. So I just wanted to share that with you today. Guys, let's close out this year with a bang. And God bless you. I'll see you on the inside.